Hello everyone, this is the InStyle Knitting Studio. Today we will learn to crochet an elastic starting row. We already know how to make a chain of air stitches. Check the link to the lesson below the video. The elastic start provides a more stretchy beginning to our knitting. We will form the starting loop in any comfortable way for us. We have already learned how to form it. There will be a link below the video as well. The starting loop is ready. We will make 2 air stitches, 1, 2. We insert the hook into the second stitch from the hook. We grab the working yarn and pull it through. We have 2 stitches on the hook. We grab the yarn again and knit 1 stitch on the hook. After this, we grab the yarn again and knit 2 stitches on the hook. Next, we will insert the hook into the previous stitch. Not into the very tight one near the hook, but into the next one. We will insert the hook into this one, grab the working yarn, pull it through, grab the yarn again, knit 1 stitch on the hook, and once more grab the yarn. Knit 2 stitches on the hook. Let's continue. We insert the hook into the previous stitch, grab the working yarn, pull it through, knit 1 stitch on the hook. And then knit 2 stitches on the hook. Again, we insert the hook into the previous stitch, pull the working yarn through, grab the yarn, knit 1 stitch on the hook. And again grab the yarn, knit 2 stitches on the hook. We will continue this for the required number of times. This starting row looks very similar to elongated stitches without a yarn over. This is how the elastic starting row looks. It really is a bit elastic. That is, the top looks like a braid, and the edge also appears like a braid. But not a braid, rather like a single strand. After this, how do we knit? We knit as usual. We make a lifting stitch, turn the work, and knit regular stitches. What do we need? With a yarn over, without a yarn over, it doesn't matter. I will crochet a row of single crochet stitches, so we can take a look at how this elastic cast-on looks. This is how it appears. The edge of the fabric turns out like this. Quite often this edge is necessary so that the fabric does not tighten at the bottom, but remains elastic. I think everything was clear. If you have any questions, please ask in the comments. Subscribe, like, and see you in the next lessons. Bye bye.